So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install iOS 26 beta on your iPhone. So recently, Apple launched iOS 26 in WWDC event. Currently, this update is available as the beta version. And if you want to try all of its features, then you will have to install iOS 26 beta. So in this video, I will guide you with how you can install iOS 26 beta. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on general. Now here in the general, tap on software update. Now as you can see here, currently I am on iOS 18.5. Now here tap on beta updates. Now here you will get various options. From here select iOS 26 developer beta. Now once you do this, go back. Now this will check for available updates. Now as you can see here, this shows iOS 26 beta. Here you will get two options, update now, update tonight. To install the update, tap on update now. Now after this, enter the passcode of your iPhone. Now after this, tap on continue. And now this will start downloading the update. So wait until the process is completed. So now the update is downloaded. Now it's time to install it. For this, tap on install now. Now this will verify the update. So now as you can see here, the update is getting installed. So wait until the process is completed. So once the update is installed, your phone will restart. Now on this screen, swipe up and unlock your phone. Tap on continue. Now on the next screen, tap on continue again. Now swipe up and this will install iOS 26 update on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.